Student, let's solve this question of the quadratic equation, that is, if 1 minus p is the root of quadratic equation x square plus px plus 1 minus p is equal to 0, then its roots are. So 1 minus p is one of the root of the quadratic equation. We all know quadratic equation gives us the two roots, one with a positive sign and one with a negative sign in the middle of the in the middle of it. So we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a is the formula for finding the roots of the quadratic equation. By comparing the equation x square plus px plus 1 minus p is equal to 0 with the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get A is equal to 1, B is equal to P, and C is equal to 1 minus P. As they are saying that 1 minus P is one of the root of the quadratic equation. So what we will take is 1 minus P is equal to minus B. We will take a positive sign plus under root B square minus 4AC whole upon 2a. Now putting the value of a, b and c, we get 1 minus p is equal to, the value of b is p, so minus p plus under root this b square, it will be p square minus 4, 1 into 1 minus p, 1 minus p whole upon 2a. So it will be, sorry, the value of a is 1, so it will be only 2. So now multiplying 2 towards the left hand side, it will be 2 minus 2p is equal to minus p plus under root of p square minus 4 plus p into 4, which will be coming out to be 2 minus this minus 2p. If I take towards the left hand side, it will just give me the p is equal to under root p square plus 4p minus 4. Now now squaring on both sides. Now 2 minus p the whole square is in the form of a minus b the whole square, which will give me 2 square, that is 4, minus 2ab, that is 4p plus p square, and here the root and square will be cancelled out and the remaining equation will be p square plus 4p minus 4. This p square and p square are with the same side, so it will be cancelled out. So if I take this minus 4p towards the right hand side, it will be 8p is equal to 8. So from here I get the value of p is equal to 1. Remember student, p is not the value of our root. Our first root is 1 minus p is 1 minus p. So the first root is given 1 minus p. So it will be 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So directly option B and C, option B and D are eliminated. Option B and D are eliminated. So now let's find the second root by putting the value of p in the given equation, that is x square plus px, it will be just simply x plus 1 minus p, it will be 0, is equal to 0. Now taking x common from this, so we get x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get either x is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Already we have determined one root of the quadratic equation is 0. So here we have just rechecked the value and it is correct. So from the second equation, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1 are the roots of the equation. So option C is correct.